Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer classroom. I'm Nazam, the teacher of Heritage School. Today we are going to discuss about the requirements for connecting to the internet of chapter 7th. Now let's begin the class. The requirement for connecting to the internet depends on the type of the internet connection you have. Basically, there are two types of internet connection, dial-up and broadband. We will discuss in detail about dial-up and broadband in our next video. As of now, you need to understand the requirements for dial-up connection. You need modem, telephone line, internet service provider. And for broadband, you need modem and internet service provider. Now let us learn more about modems, data transfer media and ISP. First is modem. What is modem? Modem is a device that allows computer to connect and communicate with other computer. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. There are further three types of modem: cable modem, telephone modem, wireless modem. What is cable modem? Devices that help you connect your computer to a local cable TV line. It has two connections, one to the cable outlet and other to the computer. Next is telephone modem. Devices that helps you connect your computer to a telephone line to access internet services. Next is wireless modem. Wireless modem transmits the data signals through the air instead of a cable. It is specially designed to work with cellular networks like cell phones and wireless local area network. Modem is basically of three types: cable modem, telephone modem, wireless modem. So a modem is a device that allows your computer to connect and communicate with other computers. Now modem can be of two types: internal modem and external modem. Internal modem is fitted inside a computer, whereas an external modem is placed outside the computers. As you can see in the image, it's the internal modem. External modem is placed outside the computer, as you can see in the image below. The speed of the modem is measured in BPS, means bits per second. The speed of the modem is measured in bits per second. These are the things which you need to remember about what is modem, what are the different types of modem. Next, let us take a look at the data transfer media. It can be of two types: wired, which is telephone, or wireless, which is basically air. Let us take a look at the wired transfer media. Here your laptop is connected to the modem, and modem is connected to the telephone line, and telephone line is connected to the internet service provider, and internet service provider is further connected to the internet. This is the example of wired media. The main purpose of wired media is to transfer data from one computer to another. Now let us take a look at the wireless media. In wireless media, what happens? Your laptop is connected to wireless router, and your wireless router connected to the cable or DSL modem. Now internet service provider. To get an internet connection, you need a subscription with any ISP. Some of the popular ISP in India are Vodafone, BSNL, MTL, Airtel, Idea, Cellular, MTS India, etc. So these are some popular ISPs in India. ISPs provide two types of connection, as mentioned, dial-up and broadband, and we will discuss about dial-up and broadband in the next video in detail. And that's it for the today, everyone. Thank you.